guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Julia Ganda, our channel. Join Fan World. And she will make channel. So our vlog for today is we're going to Lusail. And we will having our adventure up there. So see you later guys. Bye! Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa train station para sumakay ng train papuntang Lusail. Tapos, bababa kami sa, hindi ko alam, letter L mo. Lagtapea. Then from Lagtapea, going to Lusail Marina. So, bye for now. Ito oh. Green line. Where's going to Lusail?
Lusail, go down picture.
Go down. Saan daw go down?
Go down, take left.
It's down and then left. Lusail, Musharraf is the main metro station. So, all the connecting lines is located here in Musharraf. Dali na, dali.
This train is for Lusail. The next station is Corniche. Train to Busan yan, oh. So, baby. Yung feeling ko wala ka ng buhos kilid, no? Hi guys, we are here again. So, from Musharraf Station, we drop off in Lagtapea Metro Station. And then, going to Lusail, we need to book the Metro Express. So Metro Express, you will just go to your apps and then you need to install Metro Express and you need to book from Lagtapea Metro Station going to Marina. So guys,
It's for free, guys. So
it's
very
for
luxury.
free only. So sabi nga ni Joy, Qatar is really luxurious. Imagine.
It's so amazing.
It's a special trip and for free only.
We didn't inform, just only I know today.
So we are waiting for 2 minutes for our Metro Express to arrive. Tan-taran! Yung Metro Express. Yung plate number po namin is 811. Ano yun, Julia? 81111. So kailangan namin antayin si 81111. So Lagtapea Metro Station is near and the Zigzag Tower. Ayan po yung Zigzag Tower, which is very near to Mondrian Hotel, one of the expensive hotel in Doha. Ayan. Then in front of this Lagtapea station is the UDC Tower. So in that area is the Pearl of Qatar. So if you want to go to the Pearl of Qatar, there is also metro bus going to the Pearl area. Si 811. Andyan na po yung Metro Express namin, si 8111. Yan. Social naman. One set apart. Yes.
Yes, Julie.
Ayan.
Yes.
Social naman ito. Libre lang po.
Ay, madam po ako ngayon kasi ako lang mag-isa.
Social lang po yung trip namin. Kaming 3 lang po. Social distancing po kami. Ayan po si Madam Julie. Hey, Madam. This is your first time?
What can you say?
Yeah, the Metro Express.
How many times already went to?
Yes, of course.
Any comments, suggestions?
So what can you say about this Metro Express, Madam?
This one is really so amazing. I give 10 stars
For
for
Qatar.
the driver. Selfie also.
Selfie also.
It's allowed selfie?
Station over there. And we're traveling now going to the same marina. Yeah. Qatar is very rich, my friend. Why they want it's come for free? Imagine Carwa bus now is for free also. Only Qatar, the best.
When this one starting my home?
Since before.
Before the corona started?
1 year, di lang natin alam. It's going to Marina. The other side is the Pearl area. Asan? Oh, mahal yan. Laguna Mall. Yan lagi nagpupunta si Suhad. Mondrian Hotel, one of the expensive hotel in Doha. And their elevator and water is gold. This is Coliseo, so we're very near now to our destination. Zigzag Tower is this one. We call it zigzag because the building is not straight, it's zigzag.
That's why we call it zigzag.
What time this one? The Metro Express. Yes. 11:20. And the other day? Yeah, and the weekdays? 10:20. So 11:20, 1 hour only. So we're extending for 1 hour today since it's weekend. Ano yung building na yan?
We will pick up, huh?
What we will put?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we went there.
So this is the Marina. And the other area, what is the name, brother? Marina East. Kasi north no yung tinipe mo, day.
The security code, that is north.
Okay, okay. So we are going in Marina East.
Yan ang malapit na.
Ayun yung park dyan.
Wapo din guys. Parang pahapon.
So we are here in our destination now, the Marina East. And we will walk over there. Yan, papunta po sa park. So kami sa Lusail. Ha? Meron nga Al Jasra. Yan yung name nila. Same name with our building, Al Jasra. But our building is Al Jasra Commercial Tower. Ayan. Diyan po yung park. Dito banda yung park kung saan may mga pagkain. If you're going to it. Yes. Welcome to Marina. Bakit naging arena na lang yan? Food arena. Food arena dito sa Marina. Yung parang nasa lasang lang oh. Bago mo picture dito dayo. Hey guys, papasok na po kami sa Marina Food Arena. Ayan. Ang daming coffee shop. Ang daming pastry. And different things. Huh? So guys, this is the Silver Coffee Shop. Coffee is always a good idea. Char, kasosyal naman ang coffee shop nila. Uy, mahiya ka naman pumasok. Yun na po sa taas dayo, dito dayo, the waves. Oh. And this one is a specialty coffee, WL. And the waves, may second floor po siya. Ayan. The Waves Coffee Shop. Siya, uso man diri ang ano dahil. At second floor. We have also the 86. Yan, may second floor din po yung coffee shop niya. We have also one coffee. Puro na malamig kape-kape dito. Caramella sweet. John Cafe. Andito na pala si John Cafe. Grabe ang park eh. Dito sa kaday. Tumoy. So dito usually po is family. Nagpipiknik po yung family. Mga friends. So tambayan po siya every weekend. Ano, wala na nauso.
I only saw. Let's walk in it.
Chip burger. Anong chip burger man siya? So po Japan nga ano. Japan na coffee shop. Japan Chinese. Pila na ni kakalorya itong ma-burn karon. My story with karak. Parang bet ko dyan na. Dili ba kagay na mo karak? Ha? Kalami sa karak? Masa nang murag na red na tulay? Pero, sa lang ang kanta.
Family picnic, friends picnic. Ayan. Ganda po ng area. Mumbai na ako dito. Ha? Sumbamba. Ano to? Ito na lang. Sumbamba. Ito to? Ito to tayo? Ito to tayo? Ito to tayo? Ha? Yes, madam. Nakikita ko na po ang clouds. Ayun. Tap-tap. Isave rago to. Pwede nga naman siya isave sa mga. So guys, dito po yung marina. Marina area. Diyan po nakaparada yung mga boats, yung mga yate. Ito na kami nakikita. Ibig sabihin po ng marina is bay. So marina is a Spanish word. Ayan, nakaparada yung magagandang yate. Usually, ano po yan, private. Ayan, sa unahan, maganda po yung lights. Combination of day and night. So, napakaganda po ng country. Di ba country na siya dahil? Ano itong katong sa... Itong dagat ba nga gatuan na to? Umbab. Yan. Napakaganda ng ilaw. Napakaganda ng lighting. Napakaganda sa akin. Musical marina. Dali, dali tata. So guys, this is the other part of the Sulu Marina. So in that side is the pearl area. On the side is a new building here in the area. So on that side, there is a water, a fountain. You will see the fountain is on here. I'm sorry. I don't like you. That I think. Siya, okay, nadi siya artista mo siya si Aiden man. Isa. Sugas mo na
I-search daw.
Hindi ko mo sure.
Mga tanat ta.
Oo, doon si ang sa banda.
Yung may building daw na kulay-kulay daw. Yung may yellow. Doon na. Pero malapit daw siya sa dagat.
Kadra o yellow, building.
Wala na dara. Al Jasra Residence. Residence mo na siya dara. Pwede mo na update taon niya. So this is the second floor area. And I want to show you inside. Unique. So their chandelier is very nice. Something like very unique. And this is the bar area. Say hi to my vlog. Shout out to your friends in Qatar.
Sorry?
Shout out. Say hi to your friends in Qatar. And you need to subscribe my channel, Julia Ganda.
Right now, I see your channel.
H U L Y HULYA Ganda GANDA. So guys, yung taas nila is in this area. So makikita ko yung hindi sa taas. Ha? Ouch! So guys, this is the view upstairs sa second floor. Ayan, meron po silang upuan na ganito. parang lungga po. Ganyan. Ang ganda po, ang ganda po sa taas. Ang dami mong makikita. Tsaka
Yan na siya sa... Mas bugnaw dira dayon niya, mas bugnaw.
Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng view. It's like overview. Mag-tiktok pa ba eh.
Lagi to, na isang tiktokers dire. Na isang tiktok dire day.
Ha? Gani, Julie. Wala man ako data.
Okay na ko data gamay.
Yan, pwede na akong matulog.
Isa ta magtambay.
Lamig ay magtambay
Uy,
din.
ang bilat. Diyos ko Lord. Uy, ano yan?
Hindi man gana.
Murag dulaan, mabalitag iya to, Julie. Buslutan ko na yung sakyanan ron. Ay ko din ng TikTok ha, vlogger ko dong. Ha? Sabihin na na. Kada kasi tanaw, nagkaroon pa kitag bae. Magandang building sa dito sa Lucena. Ayan o, may nakatambay. Mamunwa na naman. Ayan o, nakatambay. Yan ba? Hindi pala. Parang inantay lang tayo ah. Timingan. Dito may banda dyan doon. Dito?
Hi guys, dito po kami napadpad sa 4 Points Hotel. 4 Points, one shot for Julie. Woo! So guys, thank you for watching our video today. Hope you will like, share, and comment. And subscribe to our channel. Please don't skip the ads. Bye!
Hey, 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 now baby,